Today we are going to learn some Whutupāoro Riki, or Rugby League terms in Te Reo Māori, the Māori language. A lot of kupu are similar to those of Whutupāoro, or rugby. So let's learn some kupu that are different. Firstly, let's look at the term try. In Te Reo Māori, this is known as a piro. The conversion of a try is known as a whana turuki, or kick to support. The next term is tackle. This is not my favourite thing to do, but it's an important part of the game. Tackle is rutu. Once someone is held, the ref will call mo, held. That's when the defensive players have to retreat. Defending is known as arai, and attacking is kōkiri. Like rugby, maka is pass, and whana is kick. But unlike rugby, when you're tackled, there are no rucks, so you have to play the ball. This is known as pirori, which literally translates to roll. This area is called the pai whakahirihiri, or bench, where the tāpui, or reserves, sit. That's usually me. I hope I get on soon. Kāti. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning some rugby league terms in Te Reo Māori.